Now I'm going to introduce K-250SE wrapping bound paper setup. First of all, do not turn on the power switch on while setting up the wrapping paper. On the top of the sealer, there is a diagram which shows exactly how to set up the wrapping paper. On the left-hand side of the machine, when putting on the breadboard back to the machine, note that there are two nuts which match the two holes on the breadboard. Be sure to match up the holes to the nuts so the roller will be stable. Then put the butterfly screws on. Once the wrapping paper roll on the right-hand side is finished, take the empty paper roll and insert it to the left-hand side. Then put on the new wrapper roll to the right-hand side of the machine. From the breadboard on the right-hand side of the machine, take off the butterfly screw off and take up the two breadboards. Put the wrapping paper roll onto the roller and then put on the two breadboards on both sides of the roller. The paper will operate counterclockwise, so put the wrapping paper back on the machine counterclockwise. Then put the butterfly screw back on. At the right side of the sealer, move the wrapping paper along the two metal bars and through slots. Inside the machine, there are two more metal bars. Be sure to pull the wrapping paper above the bars, not below the bars. And be careful not to jam your hands when inserting the wrapping paper. Pull the wrapping paper through the slot and move through to the left side of the machine. Pull the wrapping paper along the bars on the left-hand side of the machine. Move the paper along the left side roller in a counterclockwise direction and tap the paper so it's stable. Remember, on the right-hand side of the sealer, set the wrapping paper between connector to smooth the wrapping process.